Okay, guys, um, I've waited to see if my withdrawal is going to be successful, and here we are. If I come to my account and then I click on click on withdrawal record, you can see that the $140 I withdrew is already successful. So let's go back to my Trust wallet and see if the money is there. This is my Trust wallet, and then boom, I used to have 190 something dollar before. It shows that money entered this account. So let me check. Look at it here. Can you see my Twitter account? Can you see it here? So what it means is that the first time I showed you the balance on this account, I have $1.69. I can still show you the screenshot right now. Let me see if I can find the screenshots. Then, so let me show you. Um, okay. Do I have this here? Okay, screenshot here. Can you look at it? This is it. $1.69. So the same account right now is here. You can see it. And then this is $130. I withdrawed one. Let's do the mathematics. I withdrawed $140 times 8% withdrawal fee, 11.2 minus 140. So I actually received 128.8. So 128.8 plus 1.69 that is in my account is 130.49. If you look at it here, that's exactly how much I have here. So guys, it is real. Earning club is real. The withdrawal is real. And then this is just an amount I made. That $140 is just an amount I made in a few days. I am on a VIP 3. You might not make this amount I'm making because it depends on the level of your VIP membership. So I'm in 3, so I earn more. You can see today I earned $28.87. Okay, let me look at my account again and see the exact amount that I earned today. Okay, let me go to home. You can see 28.87. So 28.87, if I multiply it by 7 days, if I earn it like this for 7 days, guys, this is what I'm going to get here. Multiply it by your Nigerian money. Let's say 500. That is 101,000 naira made in just 1 week. So guys, what are you waiting for? It is time for you to take action. If I multiply this by 4, this is the amount, 400,000 naira, just for that little investment. So guys, thank you for watching this video. If you have not subscribed to my channel, make sure you subscribe. Hit the bell icon so that you can get every video that we are dropping. And then make sure that you share this video to your family and your friends, and give us a good comment. Check out other videos that we have, and I will see you